In this video, I will show you how to use phases in zipBoard. First thing we're going to do is add a phase. So to do this, we're going to click on phases in the sidebar. From here we can see the phases we already have, but we want to add a new phase today, so we'll click Add Phase. And we're going to name it. In this case, I'm going to name it Alpha. Here we can add a status, I'm going to say active, and a completion date. So once we've added our phase, we'll see the option to add files and links into the phase. So here I'm going to select Add and click the plus button. So now you can see that this Nike.com is now added to Alpha. So any tasks that are currently in Nike.com, the phase will not change, but any new tasks that are added to Nike.com now that the phase is Alpha will default to being in Alpha. Great, so now that that's all done, we can go to our task list and see our new phase. So you can see the phases in two ways. You can either see them in Kanban, see we have Alpha here, and we can drag and drop tasks into Alpha in the Kanban view. We can also see in the table view where we can filter, select Alpha in the phase filter, and here we see we have Edit Homepage as a task in Alpha. You can also bulk edit tasks, and we're going to select the tasks that we'd like to add to Alpha, edit, and change the phase to Alpha. And now you're able to see in our Kanban view that all the phases we added are now in Alpha. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@zipboard.co.